What's up guys, my name is EQ. Welcome back to yet another video. I hope you're all doing well. In this video I'm going to review one of the best transition pack offered by One Motions. It contains 3000 plus transitions with the sound effects, and these transitions are two-way, easy to use and apply. These transitions working with a single click by using AVE tool extension, and this pack working with After Effects and as well as with the Premiere Pro through a dynamic link. This pack perfect for a product promo, music videos, social medias and gaming videos. This transitions compatible for every kind of resolution. It doesn't matter ever what kind of resolution you have. If you're making videos, vlogs or a content creator, so this pack obviously help you a lot to save your time and obviously to make your videos really amazing. If you want to know more about this pack, so go ahead and check it out, link in the description. So without further any ado, let's jump into the video and let's see how we can use this pack in After Effects and also in a Premiere Pro through a dynamic link. So when you get this pack and extract this pack using any extracting software, it just look like this. You got a folder transition by One Motion, AVE tool file, and other file is the help file. So the other file we are working with is AVE tool ZXP. So here you can see it is the official side of ZXP installer. It is the installer for Adobe extension. You have to download this software. I also put the link in the description. So I'm just download this software. It is absolutely free. It is download in a few seconds. So here we got a ZXP installer. I'm just install this software to install my AVE tool extension for After Effects and also for the Premiere Pro. I'm just install this ZXP installer. Now here you can see it is a simple software. You can see the drag a ZXP file or click here to select a file. You can both way. You can be select your ZXP file. You can be drag your file directly to the ZXP installer, or you can be select here by just click right there. So I'm just go to the location where I'm just set up all the files. As you can see, I'm just here in the One Motions and I'm select the ZXP file offered by One Motions and just press open, and after a few seconds your extension has been installed. Please restart your Adobe applications. If you open your Adobe applications, please turn it off. Now let's move to our After Effects and let's see it is installed or not. So here you can see we are in our After Effects. I'm currently using 2020 version. You can be use any version, it doesn't matter ever. So simply we have to go to the window, and in a window we got extension drop down menu right there, and here we got AVE tool. Just click on it and here you can see we got a AVE tool right there. So here you successfully install AVE tool extension. Drag files and folders here or click here to add effects. So now we have to select our effects folder. For that I'm just click right there and now go to the folder called transition by One Motion. Now I'm just open it, and now as you can see at the first folder is effects. I'm just select it and press select folder, and after a few seconds it will automatically appears right there. And as you can see the transition, I'm just open it, and here you can see we got a different type of folders right there. The best benefit of this extension is that you can play all the transition at a time and you can be applied by just a simple way. Now let's apply some of the transition on our main footage. I'm dropping two of the footage in my After Effects. I'm downloaded it from Mixkit. You can also get the link in the description if you want it. So at a very mid I want to apply transition right there. So I'm just go to the transition pack. I want to apply some of the stretch transitions. So I'm just drop down it and select a best one for me. I think that's a perfect for me. So I'm just right click, or here you can got a plus option right there. I'm just double click on this transition, and after a few seconds your effects is load automatically and it will apply on your footage. And as you can see it's just done within a few seconds. So now let's take a look. So as you can see, this transition work very perfectly. As you can see, it within a few seconds you can be done with your transition. So if you're a vlogger or you are a content creator, so obviously this pack help you a lot to save your time. So here we are right inside of Adobe Premiere Pro. If you are Premiere Pro user, so don't worry, this transition also work in a Premiere Pro through a dynamic link. If you not know more about After Effects, so don't worry, in this video I will also tell you how you can use this transition using a dynamic link. So we have two different footage. I'm also downloaded it from Mixkit. You can also get the link in the description. So I'm just select both of the footage and just go to the replace with After Effect composition. Your footage is automatically open in After Effect. So what transition you want to be add, just go there. I want to apply some of the zoom transition, and I think so this transition is perfect, zoom in transition. So I'm just double click on it and our transition is appear right there. So I want to set up this transition with my footage, and as you can see, let's take a look. Yeah, it's working perfectly with After Effects. Now let's move to the Premiere Pro and let's take a look, is working in Premiere Pro or not. So yeah, this pack is really amazing. If you are a beginner, then I really recommended you this pack, because this pack helps you a lot to save your time and make your footage more professional. I put the link in the description. Please check it out and let me know if you have any question about this pack. If you face any problem about this pack, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. Take care.